No, go ahead. What are you doing? I'll tase your. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you
Try me.
What are you doing?
On April 15th, 2024, police identified the woman seen here as 25-year-old Karen Monroe Dillon.
No, go ahead.
What are you doing?
I'll tase your. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you
Try
doing?
me.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
No
doing?
me pueden arrestar, eso es ilegal.
33, start the units on the 2.
No me pueden arrestar. No, no, abogado, quiero un abogado.
Okay, go on your
Quiero un
side.
abogado, no me un abogado. No. Quiero un abogado, mi abogado, tengo derecho a un abogado.
You have your license, registration, insurance?
No, algo asilo político.
I don't know what that means.
Asilo, no,
Where's your
proceso.
license?
Mi proceso de asilo, no, estoy en proceso de asilo.
I don't know why you're in my face, but I need a driver's license.
No license, ticket, porque no estoy en proceso de asilo. Y no choque el carro. No choque el carro porque no. ¿Cómo? Pues, ¿me está pidiendo las llaves de mi carro?
I don't speak Spanish, so I don't know why you're still telling me in Spanish.
I'm sorry. I am sorry, agente. Pues, ven, come on.
She wanted to leave.
Come on. Pues,
Watch you do what?
mira.
Yeah, you hit the
No
car.
problem. No problem.
Karen tries to talk her way out of the situation, but then does something that the police don't take well.
Permiso, por favor.
Don't you have to grab a cop like that again, bro? Give me that. No, go ahead.
What are you doing?
I'll tase your ass. Go ahead.
What are you doing? What are you
Try
doing?
me.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you
No
doing?
me pueden arrestar, eso es ilegal.
33, start the units on the 2.
No me pueden arrestar. No me pueden arrestar. ¡Ah!
You're not gonna be able to do it. Hey, listen, just relax, okay? We're here to help you, okay?
Just relax, all right? We're here to help you, okay? What's your name? What's your name, young lady? What's your name? Come on, just relax. We don't want to tase you or anything, okay? So just give us your hand. All right? All right? You understand me? You understand me? You speak English or Spanish? Here. Okay, what's your name? My name's Officer Colon, okay? Just give me your hand, all right? Give me your hand so we don't have to tase you, okay? Come on, it's okay. All right? It's okay. We're here to help you, okay? What's your first name? What's your first name? Okay. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Karen, cuidado, okay?
Okay.
No mucho molesta. Dame tu mano.
No.
Por favor.
No.
Okay. Please.
No.
Relax.
Okay.
Okay? Relax, all right? Karen, it's okay, okay?
Police find what appears to be a large kitchen knife hidden under the driver's seat. But that's not all. According to the police report, several more knives were found in the suspect's car, along with 2 empty alcohol bottles.
What do you need?
I'm about to toss the car.
They were last seen. 3 of them were last
Knife right underneath the seat.
found.
You're right?
Here's some. One black male,
You got road code?
one white Latin male with no shirt on, and a third male, no description.
Wiseman, I got here.
Additional
She was outside of the car talking to Wiseman, screaming in Spanish. She started talking to me, yelling in Spanish. He went inside to turn off the car. She started running over here, pushing him and pulling him out of the car. And then when he tried to get away from her, she swung and hit him.
Karen was taken to jail and charged with DUI, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, careless driving and driving without a valid license. She pleaded not guilty and is expected to appear in court again.